Accidents happen when you least expect them. But when they do, HA Collision Repair is here to restore your peace of mind. With over 30 years of experience in collision, aluminum, and diagnostics repair, HA Collision Repair is dedicated to delivering exceptional results. From minor dents to major collisions, our expert technicians handle it all with precision and care. Services include collision repair, frame alignment, aluminum body repairs, steel repairs, wheel repair, wheel alignments, rim repairs, tire repairs, electronic systems, full diagnostics and ADAS calibrations, AC charging, painting, computerized color matching, custom painting, dent removal, brake repair, brake pad replacement, rotor replacement, caliper replacement, engine services, engine repair, drivetrain repair, transmission. At HA Collision Repair, we use cutting-edge technology and OEM parts to ensure your vehicle looks and performs like new. Our certifications include Audi Authorized Collision Repair, iCar Gold Class Professionals, Tesla Approved Body Shop. Trust the experts who care about your safety and satisfaction. Visit hacollisionrepair.com or call us today at 561-361-8081. HA Collision Repair, Boca Raton's leading auto body shop.